Thank you, Manager Ahmed. Now, the student speech will be delivered by Osama Majid Al-Jahdami on behalf of his choices.
The name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is due to Allah, by whose grace good deeds are completed. Today, we bid farewell to a camp that was more than just a passing experience. It was a rich journey with knowledge, joy, and friendship. We extend our heart thanks and appreciation to everyone who contributed to the success of this summer camp, to our respected administration, our dedicated supervisors, and every teacher and guide who give their time and effort for our benefit. A special thanks goes to Maktab al-Mustaqbal, the future office, and Mr. Ahmed al-Nu'mani for their blessed effort and valuable contribution in making this experience a reality. Thanks also our fellow participants who shared this journey with us. Together, we become one family, learning and growing side by side. As we live today, our hearts are filled with gratitude and our memories are rich with unforgettable moments. Goodbye, dear camp. We hope to meet again in future experiences, even great and more meaningful. Peace and blessing be upon you all. Thank you.